Okay, so it is Christmas, and we have some more food for Olive. It is from Spot and Tango. We got her, come here. A big bag of the UNKIBBLE. Wow, I got the cod and salmon flavor. It was 60% off, I think, so I only paid like $43. Oh. The cod and salmon flavor has cod, sweet potatoes, sunflower seeds, tapioca, salmon, carrots, pumpkin, spinach, parsley, rosemary, strawberries, kelp, and nothing artificial. And no kinds of blend, mix, copycat, none of that stuff.
Wanna try? Come.
Good girl.
Yes.
We like it.
It's good.
You want more? It's good. Good girl. Good girl. Ready? Good catch. Good job. Good catch. Good girl.